Hey everyone, my name is Kendall Hart. I'm back again with another hair video. Of course, you know I'm doing my all-time favorite, ISEE Hair. I absolutely love ISEE Hair. Like, if you know me, you know we go way back and we go together real bad. I love their curly hair. I think they have the best on the market. I'm biased, I don't care. And so today we are going to be doing a Vpart Kinky Curly. And I've done this style before, but it's been years ago, so I'm super excited to take a trip down memory lane and put some curly hair back in my head. It's still summer, so it's a little bit hot, but this hair is good because it's a V-part, so you can take it right off whenever you don't feel like dealing with it. And you literally only have to style it once. Like, I'm not kidding. Once I style it that first time, I literally just take it off every night. I may have to refresh it here and there, but this is such an easy style, y'all. I don't braid my hair down. I slick it back in the bun. I love it. Let's get into it. So this is the stuff that came in the package. I always like to show y'all. Comes with a little eye mask, super cute. This is just like contact information, some lashes, bonnet, which their bonnets are always really good. They always have like a good either elastic, like adjustable band, or like an elastic band that doesn't adjust but it's still pretty secure. And then it comes with a wig band, just in case you get a wig, I guess. And then the box is always super cute. And okay, so this is what the hair looks like. I will put all of the details in the description box about like the length and the density and stuff. But this is what it looks like fresh out of the pack. The curls are super defined. And then it comes with this little, like, it's very thin. This is like a good V-part wig because it's so thin, and it's like a lace kind of. It is a lace. Like, it literally looks like a lace front without bleach knots, which is perfect for blending. It lays super flat on your head. And then it has two parts on each side, a comb in the middle, and then a comb on each side by your ears, and then a comb in the back along with the adjustable band. So I love it. Let's put her on. I've already parted my hair, so y'all are gonna have to excuse this. My hair is super damaged and it's been in a bun all week, but we're gonna get that fixed. So let me just cut the tag off. Literally so easy to put on. Let me show y'all how many snaps it is. It's not hard at all. And I'm doing a side part this time. Usually I do a middle part, but I just took out my sewing, so it's pretty rough right now. So I'm gonna just stick with a good old side. And then I usually use all the clips to kind of secure it in place. So right off the bat, I go ahead and cut some layers in just because I like that volume look. And you literally just want to cut down at an angle. Like, there's no cute method to it that I do. I literally just take pieces of hair and like just cut. You don't have to be super precise as if it was like straight hair. And then same thing for this side. And as you can see, these are literally like just regular kitchen scissors. Nothing special, I'm telling you. I kind of just play around with it till I feel like enough pieces are cut. So that's like, what, 4 cuts so far? That looks about good, maybe. And you can always cut it again. This looks so crazy, but you can always cut it again later on, like if you think it needs to be cut a little bit more. But I'd rather cut not enough than too much, you know. Okay, now for the fun part, which is the styling. All you're gonna need: spray bottle, eco styler gel, and mousse, and any type of brush for detangling, which my last hairstyle was blonde, so there's still blonde hairs all up in this brush, but we're gonna make it work. So first you just want to saturate your hair with water. And actually, let me go get a towel because it's getting super messy. Okay, yes, once your hair, that section is saturated, you're going to go in with your mousse and just put a generous amount. After that mousse, That's when you take your detangling brush and you're just going to want to brush through. It brushes through so easily, y'all. Like, are y'all seeing this? This is not hard at all. This is kind of where you're changing the curl pattern, making it look more natural, more of a natural curl, because when you first get the wig, obviously all the curls are going to be the same. That's not how real hair is. The last step for that section would be adding your eco, and you literally just want to get like the size of maybe 2 or 3 fingertips, and you're just going to literally put it all throughout. And make sure you're really hyper focusing on the ends, because that's where it gets kind of frizzy and stuff. But yes, that's what your section should look like when you're finished. And then you literally are going to go to the next section. Keep doing the same thing throughout your head. Okay, y'all, so I finished the defining process. That literally took me like 8 minutes, maybe 10. But I am going to go to sleep. Usually if I'm about to go somewhere right after I style it, I will diffuse it, but I don't have anywhere to go this time in particular, so I'm about to just take it off, put it somewhere to dry, let it air dry overnight, and then I will show you guys how it looks in the morning when I wake up. BRB. Okay, so it's the next day. This did not dry nearly as good as I thought it would, so I am going to, granted I only gave it like 5 hours and I put a lot of product in it, so it does take a little bit longer to dry. But I am just gonna go in and diffuse it with my diffuser, and we'll go from there.
I've been missing out the walk with the minute. I've been building up the blocks like a man. Elliot got water.
Before I do this part, I like volume, so what I'm gonna do, and this is already pretty voluminous on its own, but I just like more. So this is kind of a little trick that I do to make it just more big, more full. And I'm going to adjust this to where it's coming a little bit further down, but I'll do that in a second. And I kind of just brush through, like only the top parts, and I separate a layer so that you can't really see it, if that makes sense. And I kind of just do that throughout, just to give myself that messy, big look. Like, you see how much bigger it already made it? And I just go throughout the hair and do that. And yeah, we're going to leave it like this for now, because it is going to get bigger throughout the time that I have this hair. And this is only day 1, and it still has a little tiny bit to dry, like maybe like 10% left to dry. So this is how it looks. I'm going to just be careful not to get it on the hair I already just dried. And like I said, my hair's been in a bun all week, so it still has some products left in here. But I'm going to add some more. I'm literally going to do the same thing to the leave out as I did to the hair. So just some mousse. And then some eco. Little trick I do to kind of seal it in is put this Got To Be gel so that the curls can last. Because this kind of like is like gel, like it dries, and it dries hard, which I like. And my hair is very, very, very low. Is it low or high where like your hair just doesn't dry? No matter how much water you put, it just doesn't absorb, or not it doesn't dry, but no matter how much water you put, it just doesn't absorb moisture. That's the type of hair I have. So I do put a lot of products in it just because it doesn't really absorb products that well. Okay. And I really like this ratio of like this side to this side, so I'm just going to part a little bit just to kind of cover that weft that's right there. And then lastly, something that I do for blending purposes, I will take a piece of my hair and a piece of the weave and just like lightly wrap it around, like twist it around. And when I say lightly, you don't want to be able to like see the twist, you know? This is just helping it blend a little bit better. Like you're not like tight, like doing a twist out. Like you're just lightly wrapping it. And then last part, literally last part, is gonna be my edges. So I'll just brush out the edges that I want. And yeah, so after I did my edges with the Style Factor and the Edge Booster, I just did a little swoop and then a little baby sideburn. And then I go in with the Got To Be Ultra Glued. And yes, this is the finished look. I think it's so cute, so much volume, and I can literally take this off tonight, put it back on tomorrow, and it will look just like this. And I can do that again and again and again and again. That's what I love about these Vpart wigs. And yes, I just love it. This is my all-time favorite hairstyle. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.